All right, so when it comes to a relationship, is just love enough with nothing else to offer? We're going to talk about that this morning and how we get Tibby. What is Tibby? Okay, right. Dating potential. So we're talking about dating a man with nothing to offer but love and big dreams. And we have two examples here.
Yeah, all right.
Well, nothing to offer but love and big dreams. Love and big dreams is a whole heap, no?
Yeah, but something else must be there, man.
All right, well, let's talk about these two examples. So Tia Maury Hardricht, she started dating her husband Corey shortly after giving him a ride home from the bus stop. Yeah, at the time, she was a thriving actress while Corey, whom she crossed paths with once before while working on set, was a struggling actor and a security guard with an unfurnished studio apartment. Well, Tia believed in her man and his vision, and 16 years later, they're both successful in career and in love. Sorry. No, that's a real cough. I mean, it's well timed, but why are you looking like that? There's one more story that I know you're gonna love, right?
Tell that one.
So they're Bahamas. Mm-hmm. This is their story.
Right.
She was a fourth-year attorney at a very prominent Chicago law firm, doing extremely well. She's on her way to becoming partner. This guy wants to date her. He's just gotten out of school, doesn't have a job. He has a car with a hole in it. Has no money, but she's a very successful lawyer, and she's actually practicing in her hometown where she has incredible relationships. He's not even from the town, and he ain't know nobody. She saw potential in him. In fact, she saw it so much that when they were married, she was a primary breadwinner in the family for the first 10, maybe more years in the family. He became president, she became first lady. Now that is dating potential. Or is it, Dahlia? You don't look convinced, Dahlia.
No, it's not that. I'm not convinced. Aubrey Kwana, man. It's a slippery slope.
Tell me about the slope and why are you sliding on it?
It's a slippery slope because first of all, you have to gauge gratitude.
But if you're doing it for love, you don't need thanks.
No, well, me not gonna do it for love. You can't guess what now. You see, maybe she realized that Obama is the kind of man where she can invest in him. And when he's president, I'm not going to say, no, really, Michelle?
See you later.
I've moved, yeah. We're not at that place anymore. Which has happened to a number of people as well. So I guess potential, she probably would have recognized that he's intelligent and that he would have also had big dreams, eh? Mm-hmm. So if you're going to take up somebody and you say, look here.
But you can gauge ambition? Like if you meet somebody who is not at a particular place, but they're looking to get there.
Right.
Because you can usually gauge ambition. You can
ambition different from dreaming.
Yeah, but if you dream big and you have ambition, you're more likely to get there. So they're inextricably linked.
Sometimes.
Yes, man. Because you will find a man who's
you
not...
will meet someone who will tell you, say, look here. This is my plan for me, you know. And every day I see him lie down in the bed and
you don't have no ambition.
Oh, right. So I said dreaming different from ambition.
No, you cannot be a big dreamer and want to get it done without ambition.
Right.
Otherwise, you're just...
So you're going to meet some dreamers. You're going to meet some dreamers.
So you're going to meet some folks who will talk a good game. But if you just study them for...
a little bit.
Yeah. Give them 3 months or 6 months, you will see.
Yeah. Yeah.
They don't have a way going. They don't have a place going because they're good and happy that you are taking care of them.
Right.
And, you know, they keep trying to sell you the, oh, I've got big dreams, babe. One day we'll be,
Go on to work here, darling, because one day you're not for work again when my boss.
You come home the house still tired.
All when you retire.
Even sit to bed.
When you retire. They must say, go and go work here. Say, boy, I know say light bill add upon you this month. But no worry, 1 month. 1 month, me go pay the light bill.
Then?
Me know say the bus taking hard, but no worry, 1 month.
We're going to buy a car.
We're going to buy one car.
We're going to buy a car. But then you will meet the other man now who you can tell has
So you take the bus, but you're all right because car come. Yeah.
The difficulty is, how do you know?
So they
You know?
care.
But
you
then-
just said it.
yes.
It would manifest itself in a lot of the things that he does. Because like me, I think a job is a job is a job, you know. You can date someone who is a CEO and he just wastes money. And you can meet somebody that's a gardener, and every month you see him put away a little and put away a little and put away a little. So you say, okay, so this man, you know.
Harry is skeptical of your argument. But
You're
move on.
skeptical of
Yes,
why
yes.
the gardener doesn't put away a little?
No. He's saying that you would not date a gardener.
I wouldn't date a gardener? What are you saying to me? Why not?
You know how much landscape artists make?
What are you talking
Don't
about?
deal with Harry now.
I don't,
Anywho,
I'm not even going to go there.
Go on with your story.
Him
Yeah.
put up a little and a little and a little and you say, see there. It's like I also tell people, Simone, a man can give you $100,000, but then he has $1 million. So 100,000 don't mean nothing. But a man will have $50.
Thank
I
you.
tell you, say, sit 30 here. Yeah, man. My guy that. Him me I work with.
You mentioned something at the top of the show about being long-suffering.
Yes. Then not that, when him a tell you, say, Simone, go and work, me soon come through, and all when you retire, him still can't find a work.
There are a lot of long-suffering women,
Me I
I
tell
find.
you. Me I tell you.
I know a lot of them.
Full of faith.
Well, faith is a good thing, but, you know, at some point...
My producer isn't. Does age make a difference? Does age make a difference? So if I don't say age before a girl talk, don't she me? Does age make a difference? Like
For us, or
like if you take up a man at age 62, what's the potential? And you is what age? It don't matter you what age.
I think another way to look at that argument is...
I know she thought I was going to say a younger guy, but we have to look at both.
But
ends
for
of the
women,
spectrum.
though, because
Yeah.
sometimes women get to a point in their lives where they hit a certain age and they're like, oh my gosh, I gotta have somebody. So they will take up, you know, strugglers. And I use that term to mean the folks who... No, I'm talking about the people who don't have any intention
Just
to
say,
try and better themselves.
Ambition
They exist.
challenged.
Okay, you use the euphemism.
Ambition
So the
challenged.
strugglers exist, right? And I'm not talking about people who are struggling to be better. I'm talking about people who are go to them stand, then we hold out them hand every month to you, and it's not a problem. Because they don't feel no way. You must work, them must get. It's all good.
I'm not strugglers, they are scammers. It's
Okay.
a difference in us, Simone. Scammers, strugglers different from scammers. Be very fair. If
Do you have struggling
if
scammers?
you are stretch out your hand every month and you
Scamming
don't care,
strugglers.
darling, I'm a struggler that's a scammer. For your conscience,
Oh my
they
gosh.
weighed down in a one bottom of one
No.
gully when nobody shall find.
Well-
Which part Sammy plant the corn and this are your conscience there, down a gully.
But you have some women who, in desperation, will
Take up
be more
scammers?
vulnerable to situations like that because they feel so desperate that, you know, they're at this age where they ought to be settling and them need to have a child and that they will settle and they will see that it's not working, but they're going to hang in there because they have to be a part of the status quo. So,
I don't know.
but it's not worth it.
I mean,
Is
in
what
this
we're trying to
21st century,
impart.
there are men now who are husbands, and they take care of the home and the children and whatever. So if that's his contribution, but me don't know how you stretch out here and a month time, and the house not clean, no food, no cook, the picnic them a run up and down while.
Look here,
so me I go work and then me I come home and take care of picnic, me I come home, come clean, pant right. Something in that equation, no
Here now.
darling.
House husbanding is a very important
This
role.
put
But it's like
Rapunzel and
housewifing
all
is a very important role. Raising the kids is a very important job. It's difficult. And taking care of the house. If you're going to take on the house husband role, you must take it on proper.
One thing I
proper.
will say though before we go, and I say this to women all the time because I hear them lament. If you see someone and you say, you know, this guy has potential and I'm going to support him or whatever, and it doesn't work out, let it go.
Yeah.
Let it go.
But one back on
It
McGill.
will-
No,
yeah.
not necessary.
And until you're dead,
Yeah.
you say, you see him? You see what him have? When we meet him, him never have nothing, you know, that's all right. Him never earn it right, so I'm not going to keep it for long. Leave it alone.
Let it go.
And go on, go focus on what else
it
can you do for yourself.
Correct.
And sometimes scammer them, block you from see some nice gardener and callaloo man, and yeah, what could I help you? Why is Harold laughing? I don't know why is he laughing?
I don't think you date a Callaloo man either.
You don't think I date a Callaloo man either?
Farming, news, we have the news. News, Herman.
Every security
news.
guard in Jamaica
Take
thinks
it,
I would
master.
date them.
We're
Can I
going to
share
continue.
that?
News is next.